Hi guys, it's me Sierra, and today I'm going to be playing with some of my friends' slimes that I'm giving to them. So first, this is my friend's Addison Samagis. She goes to my school, and this is called the Blue Raspberry Slime. So, right now I'm not at a table. Right now I'm just in my bedroom. But 1 second, and I'll be at a table. But this table does not have no chair, so I'm going to be standing. And if you see that furry, that's my cat. So, this is the blue slime. Super stretchy. So all I use is borax glue, and paint, acrylic paint, washable paint. So ask your parents before doing all this. So, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. So, this, again, is the, cotton candy. It's really pokey. It's really good slime. And it does, only thing it sticks to is hoodies. And by the way, I'm having merch coming out soon. So this is gonna be clear. This is my friend Samara's. And it has a few beads in it. Yeah, it has a few beads. So this one is a little more sticky. So this is the clear. So that's, again, my friend Samara's. I wish I could show you that. Oh, you got to see it on camera. But I just stretched it really far and it was like all clear. And if you ever get a slime from me and I say, be careful, that means it's a little sticky, like this one. So I have to tell my friend tomorrow to be careful. And this is actually really good slime. They all are really good. But Tide is not the best activator. So this is bubblegum slime. It's actually also really good slime. It's my friend Zoe's. And then, for some reason, it doesn't stretch as much. But these girls are paying for it, except for Zoe and Addison. Well, none of them are paying for this one. But, so, this slime is foam beads, just a perfect slime. And I mean, like, beads and pokey. And I want to shout out my brother, even though he doesn't really watch my channel. I still want to shout him out because he's the best brother in the world. It's hard to do swirls with these ones, but alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I have something to tell you guys. So me and the crew, I think you know who the crew is. If you don't, it's Andrew, Meredith, Sierra. But they like to wear stuff over their face, and I don't. So we are dropping merch. So that's gonna come out in a little bit. Yeah. And peace, guys.